Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are at Stafford Place here in the city of Covina, guys. So we're again showing you new construction homes. What do you think about these homes?
Man, I love them.
Yeah.
I love them. And the people want to see it.
They want to see it. They want to see it. So today, guys, we're going to be showing you some new construction homes that range from $670, so high sixes, right? So that's a great price point.
That's a great price.
Great price
That's
point.
a great
$670, guys, all the way up to the mid sevens. So great entry point into the market. The builder here is Century Communities. This community is called Stafford. What else can I tell them about this community? So guys, the HOA here is low, $323. Unbeatable.
Yeah, you don't see that anymore.
You don't see that at all. $323. The tax rate, one of the lowest I've seen in a while, 1.3.
For a new build, that's
For
great.
a new build, that is amazing, guys. So 1.3, and again, just phenomenal builds. I love this build at Century Communities. We featured some of their homes before. We've sold a bunch of their homes. They have some great incentives that you want to reach out to us for if you're interested in incentives. You like incentives?
I like free money.
Yeah, yeah. Who doesn't like free money, guys? So stay tuned, guys. We're going to show you 2 models today, and I hope that you like one of them. But if you would, reach out to us. Do us a favor, guys. That number right there, you see it? Send us a call, shoot us a text, drop us an email, right? And then maybe even this lady will water your flowers. All right, we'll see you.
All right, welcome everybody to the Stafford Community Plan 5. This one is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 1,622 square feet property. Love it, love it. Come on in, let's go ahead and take a look. So immediately we're walking in, we have 1 bedroom on the first floor, totally separate from all the others. So once again, this could be mother-in-law, quarters, she shed, man cave, whatever you need. And then once again, we're on the first floor, so that is the 2-car garage. Then we're going into the second level. So now we're in the second level that hosts the living room, dining room area, as well as the kitchen. So right here, I would say, what do you say this is? The dining room? Yeah, I'd say it's a good dining room area. And the bathroom, right off of the dining room. Standard toilet situation, simple. And it has a coat closet right here as well. Then we're walking through. We have the kitchen. Once again, I love these deep sinks. Love these deep sinks. I want to say this is quartz countertop. We have microwave, 4-burner stove, oven, plenty of cabinetry. And then here is the living room. How I would set this up is I would put the TV right here, and it has all the electrical outlets and everything that is ready right here. That's where I put the TV. And don't forget the balcony. So we have the balcony outside. And as you can see, there is a bus stop right there, public transportation that takes you right to Citrus College, or if you want to get into downtown LA, it has a train entrance there too. So now we're gonna go up to the bed levels, the 3rd floor. So now we're at the bed level, the 3rd floor. We have washer and dryer hookups. My favorite, you don't have to have laundry in the garage, lugging it up all these stairs, these 3 stories. And then immediately right here, we have 1 bedroom with its own bathroom. So you don't need to do anything. And it's a full bathroom too. And right on the other side, we're walking through, is the primary. But first, we have more cabinetry in the halls. So we're walking into the primary suite. Nice huge window looking into the other community. Here's the prize. We're walking into the bathroom. Check this out. We have a shower with a bench, double sinks, a toilet with its own door, so you can do your business in peace, you know what I'm saying? And a true walk-in closet. I mean, we're walking in this closet. Check it out. Well, that's all we have for Plan 5. We'll see you at the next plan.
So to show our appreciation for you getting this far in this video, we have a special offer for you guys. We want to give you free access, free 99, free access to our virtual home buyer seminar. So you've been watching the videos, and you're ready to make a move, you just don't know where to start, we're gonna help you guys. So do us a favor, click in the description below and you'll find a link to our home buyer seminar. Go ahead and click that, go ahead and watch that, and then feel free to schedule something with us if you're interested in taking next steps. If not, keep watching the videos.
Yeah. Welcome back, everybody. We're at the Plan 4 development right here at the Stafford community. This one is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, 1,622 square feet property offered in the mid 700s. Come on, let's go ahead and take a look. Once again, like all of the models, immediately to the left of the home is the bedroom. Once again, mother-in-law suite. She shed. Right here, we have the bay garage, which is different. It's a garage. Now we're gonna go upstairs. And on the second level, once again, living room, dining room, kitchen. What I love about this is it's already staged. My imagination is not the best, but with this, you can envision what your house would look like with your decor. So we have an excellent sized table, easily fits 6. We have a walk-in pantry right here. Immediately we have the bathroom situation, toilet with a closet right here. And now we're entering the kitchen. So this one has an upgraded fridge. This is not a cheap fridge. This is the expensive one. With quartz countertops and of course the deep sink. We have the 4-burner stove, microwave on top, plenty of cabinetry. And this is what your living room would look like. Something like this, plenty of space. You can even add a little smaller chair right there. And you can host people outside on the balcony.
And you can get Little Caesars whenever you like.
You have Little Caesars. Free Little Caesars with the purchase of a home in this community. Let's go upstairs. Now we're in level 3, where the majority of the bedrooms are. Immediately in level 3, we have right here the washer and dryer. Walking into bedroom number 1. So they have, once again, they have it all decorated already. It's pretty cool. And a full bathroom in this one as well. So we're going down the hallway. We have the thermostat, very tech-savvy thermostat. Comes with the home. Plenty of cabinetry in the hallway. And now we're walking into the primary suite. So we have good space in here. Was that a king size bed or a queen size? I think it's a king too. We have plenty of space with the king size bed with dressers to the right and to the left. And we also have a bench on the edge of the bed. Walking into the main suite bathroom, his and her sinks. Once again, shower, sit down bench. They're gonna put doors on here, don't worry. They're gonna put doors on here. And another true walk-in closet. Amazing. So that'll do it for Plan 4. Take it away, Will.
Thank you guys again for hanging out with us today. We toured, this was the far east of LA County.
Yes.
Far east of LA County.
Right on the edge.
Right on the edge. So thank you guys again for touring today. Today we toured Stratford. We toured 2 amazing homes in the mid 6s all the way up to the mid 7s. So great entry level point, low HOA, low tax rate. So if you're interested in this home or any others in this area, do us a favor, send us a call, shoot us a text, drop us an email, or go ahead and screenshot that number right there and reach out. We would love to help you. But until next time, guess what, guys? Property Brothers out.